Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol KALY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But want to get things updated here as the chart has given us a little bit more data. And the first update is just want to kind of show what's going on in regards to this trend line. That'll mean a little bit more to those of you that have watched the past videos. But after today's price movement, things are looking a little bit shaky from a trend line perspective. Now, with that being said, just because the price has now broken to the downside of the trend line, I'm not saying this thing that means this entire chart is about to collapse or anything like that. That's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying, kind of out of the curiosity that, we were following and that the price was doing a great job of holding up above. In fact, during that first 30 minutes, you can see that the price once again had bounced right off that trend line. But the price, like I said, it's been violated now. So, end of the world, no. Something to keep an eye on and monitor to make sure things don't spin out of control. Yeah, definitely. Now, what do I mean by spin out of control? Well, as long as the price, as far as I'm concerned, stays above 0.024, then that still keeps the chart totally in the bull's favor. How so? Well, while I'm not saying this will happen, it just kind of illustrates the overall idea here. Let's say the price does go down there, behaves in that manner, then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you still have in this situation? Well, you'd have lows right there. You'd have lows right there. You'd have those lows right there. You'd have some lows right there. If you picture these as stair steps, then yeah, overall, the stair steps still progressing in the upwards direction. So it's not like it's the end of the world, even if the price does start to pull back. Now, if the price comes down there and crashes down through 0.024, that's a whole different story. However, with that being said, the price isn't even close to doing that right now. So no point in, talking any further about that. Idea here, though, is that just because that trend line has been violated, the price can still very comfortably stay above 0.024, and that would give the overall stair steps plenty of, upwards momentum still. As far as areas of resistance, nothing new here to report other than, the level that I talked about on Monday, played out right there as the level of resistance at 0.032. So I'm not saying 0.032 can't be broken or anything like that. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price did ultimately get rejected up there. So that remains public enemy number one in the near term. Overall, though, we'll see what happens. Still a couple days left this week of trading.
One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.